Airbnb just publicly announced something groundbreaking for co-hosts. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what Airbnb announced, when it's going to happen, and how you can set yourself up to make a killing from it. Let's jump in. So for context, Airbnb just recently held their Q2 earnings call for 2024. Their profit is down, and to grow their business, Airbnb has plans for expansion, but not just the regular old, more of the same type of expansion. Airbnb is planning on expanding its service offerings in a game-changing way. Their plan is to expand into both co-hosting and guest services. You see, up until now, Airbnb co-hosting has been one of the best, if not the best way to get started in Airbnb. It allows people to start making money on Airbnb without buying or renting any houses. Ordinary people can manage properties on Airbnb and get a cut of the revenue. It's a great win for both sides. The property owner gets to have their property rented, make money, and be completely hands-off. And someone like you gets to earn $700 to $1,000 every single month on average per property. And you get to do it without spending $1 to buy, rent, or furnish the place. Pretty sweet. And for the past 7 years, I've been teaching people how to do exactly that. We've got hundreds of students in our B&B Mastery program now earning a full-time income with this approach. But there is one thing that's always been missing: an easy way to connect property owners with co-hosts who can help them. Airbnb used to have a program that would connect people, but they ended up shutting that down. And we've obviously found different ways to reach out and consistently get in front of property owners so that people like you can get started without any experience. But what if it suddenly became even easier? What if there was an easy way to put co-hosts and property owners together? That would change the game for co-hosts and make growing your business way easier. And that's exactly what Airbnb is about to release. Airbnb is aiming to connect homeowners who don't have time to manage their listings with co-hosts who have the time but don't have the properties. Airbnb sees this as a major way for them to unlock new inventory on the platform. By creating a marketplace for co-hosts, all the properties whose owners are strapped for time can now become available on Airbnb. Airbnb stated in their earnings call that this update would come as early as October of 2024. So what does that mean for you? And how can you best position yourself to take advantage of this massive new opportunity? Simple. You've got to be trained and ready to go. There's an old saying that luck happens when preparation meets opportunity. And the opportunity coming in October is one of the biggest ones we've seen in the world of co-hosting in a long time. So now is the time to get prepared. Those who are prepared come October will get the first mover advantage. They'll be the ones who reap the biggest rewards with the launch of this new program. They'll grow their businesses massively and they'll start to dominate their markets. So now, how do you get prepared? Well, for starters, there's a link in the description below this video. I'll put it right at the very top. And that link will bring you to a free training that'll show you exactly how to get started with co-hosting on Airbnb. It's the same training that hundreds of successful co-hosts have all started with, and you can be next. Inside the training, it'll break down how the business works, how to get started, and how you can work directly with me to help grow your business. If you start now, you'll have plenty of time to learn the ins and outs. You can develop your skills and get your first few clients before the release in October. Because here's the thing, the people who are gonna dominate on this new marketplace are gonna be the hosts with experience. The ones who have a proven track record already, those are the ones who will have hosts lining up to work with them. So if you're brand new to co-hosting right now, then it's time to build your track record. But what about if you're already co-hosting on Airbnb? Or maybe you're doing some rental arbitrage, or you own some properties and you want to start co-hosting as well. Well, good news. Come October, your life is going to get a whole lot easier when it comes to gaining clients. Some of the co-hosts that I've been working with, like Brendan, who I talk about in this video right here, are going to be shoo-ins to crush it with this new program. The bottom line is that this is a massive opportunity for anyone who's prepared when the time comes. If you want to be one of those people, then click the link in the description down below and register for the training. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.